I'm Catherine Salamoni. I'm here to show you an OmniLearn project that I call the Bite-Sized Boombox. It uses just a couple simple materials to illustrate some really interesting science and engineering topics. For this project, you'll need an iPhone or other music playing device. You'll need 2 pieces of insulated copper wire, a wire stripper, a 1/8 inch audio jack, a 1.5 volt DC motor, a piece of 1/4 inch dowel about bite size, some lead-free solder, and a soldering iron. Before we get started, just a couple safety concerns. The wire strippers are very sharp and the soldering iron gets very hot. You want to make sure to always stay away from the tip and the entire metal part with your hands. First thing we're going to do is strip about 1 inch of insulation off the ends of the copper wires. Once both your wires have been stripped, you're going to thread one end of a wire into the terminal of the motor and the other end of each wire to a terminal in the audio jack. Once you've finished looping the wire through the terminals on both the motor and the audio jack, you'll solder all 4 points to create a secure electrical connection. I've drilled a 1/16 inch hole in the 1/4 inch dowel that will fit tightly over the shaft of the motor. Now comes the fun part. We're going to hook the bite-sized boombox up to our music player. When I bite down on the dowel, I'll be able to hear the music through my teeth. So what we've made here is a simple digital to analog converter. The digital music player sends electric current to the motor, which then oscillates slightly, creating vibrations in the dowel. When I bite down on the dowel, the vibrations translate to my teeth, which then vibrate my eardrums, and I can hear the sound. Your head cavity is all very well connected, so that's why the ears can hear the vibrations that are actually being sent through your teeth. So when I bite down on the dowel and cover one ear, my other ear becomes a speaker that somebody else can listen through. This is pretty cool because usually we just think of the ear as a receptor of sound, but here we've just proven that can also be a transmitter of sound. Once you've finished creating your project, you can also try to use different materials to replace the dowel, things you find around the classroom like pencils or paper cups or plates, and try and see what else works.